What's up guys, Matt here, and today I'm doing a pack opening. I'm going to be opening the 5k packs, as I can open more of them. I'll only be able to open 7 though. But yeah, I haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I'll do it. So might as well get on with it. Other videos I'm going to be doing soon are stuff like squad builders and stuff like that. Hopefully, get some of those out. And hopefully I'll be getting a Elgato or something like that soon. And I will get and I'll be doing some pink slips and stuff like that, so that should be good. Who do we get? No one. I never get anyone in packs, ever. Yeah, we'll just quick sell that. Dun, dun, dun. You gonna quick sell it? God, the lag's horrible. Right, go to store, and we shall continue. I don't know, like, is there a strategy to this? Is there any players that you think get the better packs or anything like that? I don't really know. I just sort of go for it and hope for the best. Skip that. Who do we get? Who do we get? No one again. Shock. Yeah, we'll just get rid of that. Why not? So, yeah, guys, if you want to just tell me about your armor team, how you're going, who you've got in packs, stuff like that, then that would be good. I'm not going to skip this one, I'm going to leave it. See what happens. Wow, this is taking a long time. Alex Song, yippee doo. I don't even know if he goes for anything. Don't think so. Wow. Look at that. Do get 1,000 coins though. Not too bad. Do do do. Do 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 do. Cabela. Not too bad. It's got an awful shot though. Yeah, we'll list you, I suppose. Well, we can't. We'll just store the club. And then we'll dispose it of him later. Oh, I just quick sold the coins. Oh no, I didn't. Hang on. Collect 3 coins. Here we go. Quick sell the rest. Thank you. I never get anyone good back, so I doubt I will do here, especially now I'm recording it. If I do though, I don't know what I'll do. My reaction will be probably muted as people are trying to sleep upstairs, but never mind. They'll get over it. Wow, look, I got no one. Again. Brilliant. Mariano. He used to be really good. I don't know if he sells anymore. I suppose you can try to. Store him in club. And we'll get rid of the rest. 940 coins. Wow. Loading Ultimate Team coins. Coins? Store. Great value. I don't know if I like this spinning ball and then the person pops up. I think it just, obviously it gives it away, but because the name, you could sometimes miss it and then not realise who you got, but this is quite obvious. I quite like the surprise. So for me, I don't really like this, but oh well. So I mean, when you got someone pop up like that, you just sort of want to kill yourself. I mean, if that's the best player I got, it is worth crying. Look how slow that is. God. Oh, 88 pace. It's not too bad actually. Is it Joe? John Joe. What else did I get? Does that go for anything? I'm not too sure. Does that go for anything? What is that? Camp Potrebas. I'm going to say no. Don't really see that going for anything. So we'll put that, store that in the club, and we will quick sell the rest. Goodbye. Well, I'm going to do some 7,000 ones. Not that it's going to change anything, just going to waste 2 more grand, but never mind. Gold packs to find the best players for building your ultimate squad. Team, your chance to find this week's performance best real world performance. Brilliant. Let's do this. Come on. Please. I'm not even going to look. I'm not going to look. I know you can't see it, but I'm not going to look. Is it open yet? Probably not. I'm guessing not. There's a skip button still up. Holtby. Oh god. I know I said I wasn't going to look, but I opened my eyes too early. Never mind. Oh, Silver, are you kidding me? Wow. Look at that, is just so bad. That is so bad. Why is there still snow? I don't get it. I know it's the winter, but we don't have snow in this country yet. 2,000 coins, that's not too bad actually. 4 players, not 1 rare. God. Go to store. We're gonna go on this. I'm also gonna try and do a trading video or series, and depending whether I get anybody good from this, I may do it on this account, I may do it on a different account, I'm not sure. But yeah, we're going to skip this because this takes way too long. Yeah, I got no one. Yay. Loving life. Wait, who is that? Is that Squillaci? I don't know, does he still play for Arsenal? If it even is him? Or is it Wilshere? I don't know. I don't really care either. Page 2. Centre for. Ooh, does that go? Oh, do you know what? Sod it. We're going to put it in the club, and if it does sell, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Right, guys, we are on to our last pack. So we shall see what is going on. Wait, we might have, what, 2 more? Yeah, we got 2 more. Best pack to find the best pack. Don't lie. Get more looking silver packs. I don't know why I didn't open silver packs actually. Would have been something different, wouldn't it? I'm so done. I am so done. It's just not even worth opening it anymore. Oh. Go to store. No, I don't really want to. But come on, El Shawari. You look like. He actually looks like one of the meerkats. Or from the Go Compare of that. Kind of. Not too much. And Messi just looks like he's done something really bad, but he's trying to hide it. Anyway, let's go for it. Don't really want to, but yeah, sod it. Right, last pack. Wish me luck. Or not, whichever you fancy. Wow. Just wow. Even Ronaldinho's face is looking at me like, I'm sorry, man. Just wow. See, I don't understand this. How can a keeper have 68 positioning? So that pretty much means every time he's in the wrong position. It's like the ball goes to one side and he jumps the other side. Are you mad? Jairzinho. It's close to Ronaldinho, but it's not. Bless him, look at him. Looks so scared. Right. We're going to put you in the club. Not you. God, never you. Still in my club. Oh no, I just quick. Oh no, I haven't. No, no, I haven't. No, I haven't. I don't even know if that does. It goes for anything at all. But yeah, we're going to stick that in the club. And we're going to quick sell the rest of this team. Got 2,000. Can we buy any packs of that for silver ones? No, we can't. Right. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It wasn't a brilliant video. Didn't really get anyone. Well, I didn't get anyone at all, really. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe and like, and hopefully we'll get this channel kickstarted and more people watch it. And obviously the more people watch it, the better videos I can do and the better stuff I can do. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.